A video how to set your intruder alarm. This keypad right here, this is from a Galaxy panel known as a Galaxy intruder system. So as you see here, the main menu, to set it you get your fob. You either have a passcode or a fob. In this case this one's programmed to use a fob. So you hold it down, you've got a time set, exit the premises, close the door. You have at least 30 seconds to wait, and it'll do 2 final beeps to confirm that the area is set. To unset the alarm, you simply enter the premises. The alarm will be going off. Hold your fob down, system unset. It's very simple, quick and easy. It'll beep a few times just to confirm that it's recognised your fob, and that is it.